Oh my goodness. Okay. That was a... Hang on. Oh my god. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Kennedy here, and today you are on the channel that has run out of ideas very slowly. Oof, I'm sorry. So today we are watching RWBY Volume 5, Chapter 13, Downfall by Rooster Teeth. So after this, we only have one episode, and I'm really scared. Last episode we ended with Raven fighting, or Raven going to fight Cinder. My bets are placed right now. Cinder's gonna go down. That's what I'm guessing, is Cinder's gonna go down. I really hope that Blake ends up coming in this episode. We also have Weiss is still being healed by Jean. I don't know. I have a lot of really high expectations for the rest of this volume, and I'm really scared. So, I don't know. I think that we just need to get into it and just start. So, let's go in 3, 2, 1, boom. Ruby and Yang against Emerald and Mercury.
Uh-oh.
She knows how to fight now. Oh, oof, that's what Ozpin did.
Whatever it takes to shut you up.
She's upset today.
I think so. She's coming too. I just wish this would go faster.
Oh, goodness.
Don't complain and just be thankful you unlocked your semblance when you did.
My semblance?
People are saying it's not a
How
semblance.
else do you think you're healing her, dummy?
That face, though. Ooh.
No. I don't
It's
think I'm
cool because,
healing.
like, it's slowly turning to blue, so it's slowly turning into her aura.
It feels more like I'm using my aura to amplify hers.
Wait, aren't you worried about running out?
Pierre once told me I've got a lot of it. I still believe her.
Good job, boy.
Jean?
Yes. Weiss, you gonna be okay. Oh my god.
Go! I've got her!
Jean, what's happening?
Hi,
I
Weiss.
took a heavy hit. You need to stay with me while the others fight.
That's annoying.
Good to have you back.
Good to have you back, Weiss.
Yes. Oh my goodness, I'm so glad she's not dead. I am so glad she's not dead.
Hiding behind the face of a child. A monster like you must be stopped.
Oh, goodness.
How many more children must die for you?
Oh, and then she's got the electricity. Sorry, my late reactions. I'm kind of just studying everything, but...
His
Ooh!
semblance.
Oh my goodness.
He can block out pain. It's how he's able to handle injecting so much dust into his body.
Oh.
I don't need him to hurt.
I just need to break his legs.
Need him to go down!
Oh, yes, Nora! Oh my god. There you go. And here's the white fang.
What's going on in there?
None of your concern.
Doesn't matter to you. Oof. Rawr. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness.
Stay focused. Our friends
Oh,
are
goodness.
here.
Adam!
Adam?
Blake?
Blackie.
Is that?
Stand down!
Team RWBY is back together.
Wait.
Oh my gosh. Adam.
To think that I went through so much trouble to find you, only to have you deliver yourself to me.
This isn't what's right for the Faunus. Stop what you're doing and we can end this peacefully.
You're wrong, Blake. and you can't stop us.
My God.
I can't.
Not alone.
Not by myself.
Not alone.
That's why she didn't come alone.
Son with like menagerie. Oh
What?
my God.
Get there.
And Gira. Oh my God.
Sisters.
Mata?
Yes. Oh,
Please stop this.
is it like his friend or his brother or
Make
something?
no mistake, brothers. These are our enemies, and we will not let them ruin.
No, because like now the tides have turned, and there comes the Haven Police.
This is the Mistral Police Force.
Collie.
Surrender.
Oh yes. This is the tides are like finally turning. Like the good guys are finally like winning again.
What's happening?
I'm not sure. How are you feeling?
Feeling good.
Better. Much better.
Oh yeah.
Keep it up.
Thanks.
How?
It's so good to have her back.
Adam,
This.
it's over.
Oh goodness.
And it's over for all of us.
Hey, wait!
What?
What are you doing?
And it's not
Trying to get
working?
us all killed?
I am making humanity pay for what they've done.
We sent
Jesus.
someone over to confirm your explosion.
Calm your temper tantrum.
And once we did, she disarmed them.
Ilya? Ilya! Yes! Yes! Good job, girl.
What do we do?
This is your business, not mine. Fix it.
Isn't this what?
I told
That's what
you,
Adam told Hazel. Like, this is my business, not yours.
It's over.
Stop throwing a temper tantrum, Adam. Oh, goodness. Yes! She broke his arm? Or something. Did something.
Kill them!
I think she broke his arm, which in a way is like payback for Yang's arm. Oh my God. Yes! What? The Lancer? Weiss! Oh my God. Weiss is just growing more and more powerful, and it's amazing, and I love her, and I want her to be my child, and I'm so glad that I get to cosplay her, and oh my God. Oh. Team RWBY is back together.
Yang?
Yang, go find your mom. Emerald, that was kind of a sucky attempt. Oh yes, just brush it off. She just lets her arm go. She's gonna go one-armed. Lots of nods. Oh my God.
Kamal was a decoy the whole time. The last Spring Maiden must have trusted you a great deal before she died. I bet that was a mistake.
Oh God. Oh God. This is not good. This is not good. Oof. Okay. Oh my God. Alright. Yes. Just fight. Ooh.
Can't protect your arm.
It's grim.
Grim.
Yeah. Oh
You
goodness.
turned yourself into a monster just for power.
Cinder, you idiot.
Look who's talking.
Raven isn't a monster. She just isn't necessarily a good person. Also, I like her weapon. It's like yellowish. Also, Maiden against Maiden they're taking a lot of breaks in between blows. I think they're like assessing the situation, like seeing like what they need to do. Cinder seems, like a comment said, Cinder seems to be very reckless, very childish, and Raven is like cool and calm and collected. And what is happening? What is going on? Oh my god! This is intense. Oof. Oh my god. Walls are shaking. The walls are shaking. Oh my god. Oh god. Oof. Oh no. You can pull through. Please, Raven. Please. You've got this. You've got this. Oh, what? Oh, the ceiling. Okay, she's alright. She's alright. Oh my god. Wait! We've got new music! No one will miss you when you're finally gone. Message to Cinder. This is so intense and scary, but it's so good. Like, the animation has just progressed massively. Yes. Oh, Ara's gone. Ara's gone.
Had enough yet?
And you can just keep on going.
If you were stronger or more clever, then maybe you'd remember to watch your back.
What? Yang? Vernal? She's still alive? Oh my god. Just a palm to the face. There goes her mask. Wait. What is she doing? Her eye. Oh my god. Turning her to ice. There she blows. I wonder who got her power. Like, I wonder who was last in her thoughts.
Thank you, Vernal.
That was like her last good deed, or now she's gone. Poor baby girl. Poor baby girl. I'm not ready for this volume to be over. There is no way I can handle this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh goodness. Oh my god. It's like, you can hear like gears moving and stuff. Like leaves. That's pretty. What? What's behind the door? Is it like a mirror? Oh. What the heck? Well, I mean, the relic is right there, but that whole background and stuff, she looks like a businesswoman in that shot. But Yang, she's not gonna let Raven get that relic. No way. No way. That was good. That was really good. I'm not ready for the volume to be over. I'm not ready for it. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, this is Saturday. I am recording this. Oh my goodness. I am scared for the next episode. I am not ready for the next episode. Yang against her mom? I feel like Yang... What if Yang ends up getting maiden powers? Like, or something. Or ends up getting the relic. I don't know, guys. I don't know. This is like... I don't know. That music was really good. I can't wait for the Volume 5 soundtrack to come out. Because that's going to be perfect. But, wow. That was good. That was a good episode. That was a good fight. Bye-bye, Cinder. Hopefully. What if she's not dead and they're just trolling us? And if she is dead, who did the power go to? Like, I wonder if it ended up going to, like, Ruby, or if it went to Raven, or if it ended up going to, like, Emerald or something, or maybe somebody, like, from her past, or if she wasn't thinking of anyone, and then all of a sudden it just kind of went to somebody random, and now they gotta go find the new Fall Maiden, and oh my goodness, I don't know what I'm gonna do on the hiatus. I'm definitely going to be watching RWBY Chibi. I plan on doing probably weekly little things with Lexi, like the Back At It videos. Maybe small live streams every once in a while. Some vlogs, because my dance competitions are going to be starting up soon. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I sure as heck did. If you did, please leave a like. If you like my content or my personality, please subscribe. And if you didn't like it, please don't comment about it, because I really don't care and I don't need that. So, yeah, as always, don't forget to eat your chicken, and bye.